It's in these very moments that the call to just trust God can feel less like a comfort and more like an impossible command. How do you trust when your circumstances are screaming the opposite? He's not offended by our questions. The Bible is filled with people, real people like you and me, who wrestled with God. Or Job, who questioned God from a place of immense suffering. He is always good, always faithful, always loving, and always in control, even when it doesn't feel like it. Your prayer might continue like this. But God, even though I feel this way, I choose to remember who you are. So I'm asking you, please help me, help my unbelief, increase my faith. The next time you feel that knot of doubt tightening in your stomach, find a quiet moment and try this simple three-part prayer. First, be radically honest. God, this is hard, and I'm struggling to trust you. Second, remember His faithfulness, but I choose to remember who you are and what you've done. It's a practice. It's a way of relating to God that is real, raw, and transformative. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.